बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं प्रोफेसर असद और आपसे एकेडमिक गाइडेंस के प्लेटफॉर्म से मुखातिब हूं। डियर व्यूअर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा टुडे टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन इज व्हाट इज मॉरलिटी। इसमें हम देखेंगे कि इसकी डेफिनेशन डिफरेंट फिलोसफर्स लाइक कांत, ह्यूम और ग्यूवर्स ने कैसे की हैं। सो ये सब कुछ जानने के लिए यू आर एडवाइज टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। फर्दर अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। जहां तक मॉरलिटी की डेफिनेशन का तल्लक है, मॉरल डेवलपमेंट इज प्रोसेस बाय विच पीपल डेवलप द डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन राइट एंड रॉन्ग एंड engage in reasoning between the two moral reasoning. And since from ancient time different people argue in their own ways, how do people develop morality? This question has fascinated parents, religious leaders and philosophers for ages. But moral development has also become a hot button issue in psychology and education. Do parental or societal influence play a greater role in moral development? Do all kids develop morality in similar way? These are the various burning and basic issues which are answered by different philosophers in different ages. तो जहाँ तक डेंटोलॉजिकल मॉरल डेवलपमेंट का तल्लक है, researchers studying moral judgment, and as per their definition, morality is derived primarily from moral philosophers like Kant. According to this approach, morality refers to a set of perspective norms about how individuals ought to treat one another, including concern with fairness, others, welfare, equality and justice. To act in a way consistent with moral principle, one is required to be impartial and fair and to not be bound by the dictates of group norms or consensus when they are in conflict with fairness and justice. In the same way, morality is a categorically obligatory requirements for action for which compliance is mandatory regardless of institutional laws or etiquettes. Moral judgment in their full and realized form promotes equality and reflect a focus in intentions and outcomes. Further, if we look morality as empathy and pro-social obligations, here the focus is on the human capacity for sympathy, compassion and empathy, which are viewed as motivation for pro-social and altruistic behavior. Here morality is defined by these emotions, and research investigates how empathy and other emotions emerge and change over time. Empathy involves an emotion and cognitive reaction that often leads to acts that benefit others. Pro-social behavior includes sharing, donating resources, cooperating, comforting others, and volunteering to help another without benefit to the self. So these are the views by different philosophers. आज के लिए इतना ही। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मजीद मॉरलिटी की डेफिनेशन के साथ हाजिर होंगे। आज तक के लिए इतना ही। उम्मीद है वीडियो आपको इंफॉर्मेटिव और अच्छी लगेगी। कमेंट्स बॉक्स में कमेंट्स करके अपनी राय से जरूर आगाह कीजिएगा। अल्लाह ताला हम सब के लिए आसानियां पैदा करे। आमीन सुम आमीन। अल्लाह हाफिज।